Have you ever wondered how to become a successful data analyst in just 3 months? Well, it's quite an ambitious goal, but not impossible. It calls for dedication, focused learning, and practical application of skills. But with the right mindset and a clear roadmap to guide you, this goal is within your reach. So are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Then let's not waste any more time. Dive into this roadmap to start your journey. Start by setting clear and achievable goals. This is your roadmap, your compass that guides you through your journey of becoming a successful data analyst in just 3 months. Picture yourself at the end of this journey. What skills do you see yourself possessing? From mastering data cleaning to creating compelling visualizations, make a list of these skills. Now, take these end goals and break them down into manageable chunks. Think about what you can realistically achieve week by week. This could be dedicating the first week to understanding data structures, the second week to learning a programming language like Python and so on. Remember, this is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's about consistent progress and not overnight success. By setting specific weekly targets, you'll see yourself moving forward, one step at a time. With your goals outlined, you're ready to tackle the first step. The path might be challenging, but remember, every journey starts with a single step. Take advantage of the wealth of online learning resources. The digital world is teeming with educational platforms that can equip you with the necessary skills to become a proficient data analyst. Websites like Coursera, Udacity, and Khan Academy offer a wide range of courses in data analysis that are both comprehensive and accessible. To make the most of these resources, it's important to focus on key areas of study. Excel, SQL, and Python are vital languages and tools in the world of data analysis, each offering unique capabilities for data management, manipulation, and analysis. Visualization tools like Tableau, on the other hand, will help you bring your data to life, transforming complex data sets into clear and compelling visuals. So immerse yourself in these platforms, take diligent notes, and don't be afraid to revisit lessons for better understanding. Armed with knowledge, you're prepared to put your skills to the test. Put theory into practice with hands-on learning. It's one thing to understand the concepts, but applying them to real-world scenarios truly solidifies your knowledge. Imagine you're a sculptor. The theory gives you the tools, but it's your hands that mold the clay into a work of art. How do you get this hands-on experience? Work on real-world projects. Seek out data sets that interest you and analyze them. It's like a playground for data analysts where you can creatively apply your skills. Next, participate in online forums. These are platforms where you can collaborate with other learners, solve problems, and share insights. It's like being part of a global study group. Remember, each project you work on, each problem you solve, each insight you share is a stepping stone towards becoming a proficient data analyst. With every practical application, you're not only learning but also perfecting your craft. Hands-on learning strengthens your understanding and skills. Showcase your skills with a comprehensive portfolio. This isn't just a fancy binder of your work, it's the key to unlocking opportunities in the data analysis world. Think of your portfolio as a visual resume, a tangible demonstration of your skills and abilities. The first thing to remember is that quality trumps quantity. A handful of well-executed projects can speak volumes about your capabilities. Your portfolio should demonstrate your proficiency in essential skills like data cleaning, data analysis, and data visualization. Include projects that showcase your ability to use tools like Excel, SQL, Python, and Tableau. But don't just present the results, also explain your thought process and the steps you took to get there. This gives potential employers insight into how you work. Remember, diversity is key. Each project should highlight a different skill or tool. This shows your versatility and adaptability, traits highly valued in a data analyst. Your portfolio is your professional identity. Make it count. Expand your horizons through networking. Networking is more than just a buzzword, it's a strategy that can propel your career to new heights. As an aspiring data analyst, making connections with professionals in the field is a crucial step. Think of networking as opening doors to a world of opportunities. It's like a treasure trove that can lead to job offers, internships, or even potential partnerships, but the benefits don't stop there. Networking allows you to gain valuable insights from experienced professionals. Their wisdom and advice can guide you on your journey and help you avoid common pitfalls. Participate in webinars and join LinkedIn groups related to data analysis. Engage in discussions, ask questions, and share your insights. Remember, networking is a two-way street. It's about building relationships and contributing to the community. So, step out of your comfort zone and start networking. Networking is a powerful tool for a budding data analyst. Never stop learning and improving. This mantra is the cornerstone of a successful data analyst. The world of data analysis is ever-evolving, with new tools, techniques, and industry trends emerging on a regular basis. To stay relevant and competitive, it's vital to keep your finger on the pulse of these changes. Make it a habit to explore the latest research, read industry blogs, and participate in online forums. Attend webinars and workshops to brush up on new techniques and tools. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to solve complex data problems and provide valuable insights. Additionally, consider gaining certifications in new tools or languages. Not only will this enhance your skill set, but it will also demonstrate your commitment to continuous learning to potential employers. In this dynamic field, complacency is the enemy. To excel, you must be inquisitive, adaptable, and always willing to learn. Maintain your edge as a data analyst through continuous improvement. As your 3-month journey concludes, it's time to prepare for job interviews. The job hunt can be a daunting task, but with the right strategies, you can navigate it with confidence. Let's start with your resume. This document is your first impression, so make it count. Tailor your resume to match each job description. Highlight the relevant skills you've acquired, and don't forget to include the projects you've worked on. These projects demonstrate your practical experience and ability to apply what you've learned. Now, let's talk about the interview. Interviews can be nerve-wracking, but remember they are just conversations. To prepare, research common interview questions and practice your answers, but don't just rehearse canned responses. Think about how your experiences and skills align with the role. Remember to highlight your practical experience. Discuss the projects you've worked on, the challenges you faced, and how you overcame them. This shows your problem-solving skills and your ability to apply theoretical knowledge. Finally, follow up after the interview. Send a thank you note expressing your continued interest in the role. This shows your enthusiasm and can set you apart from other candidates. Remember, the job search can take time. Be patient with yourself and persistent in your efforts. Each interview is a learning experience that brings you one step closer to your goal. Preparation is key to landing your first data analyst job. Congratulations on completing the 3-month Data Analyst Challenge. You've embarked on a journey that's both demanding and rewarding, and you've shown the tenacity and dedication required to thrive in this dynamic field. Over the past 3 months, you've set clear and achievable goals, diving into the world of data analysis with determination. You've explored the wealth of online resources, honing your skills in Excel, SQL, Python, and visualization tools like Tableau. Remember, these platforms are not just for novices, they're also valuable resources for continuous learning and staying updated with industry trends. You've recognized the importance of hands-on learning, applying theoretical knowledge to real-world projects. This practical experience has not only reinforced your understanding, but also equipped you with a portfolio showcasing your abilities. This portfolio is your professional identity, a testament to your skills in data cleaning, analysis, and visualization. You've understood the value of networking, connecting with professionals in the field. These connections can offer valuable insights, mentorship, and even job opportunities. Keep nurturing these relationships, attending webinars, and participating in discussions. You've also embraced the concept of continuous improvement, understanding that learning is an ongoing process. As a data analyst, it's crucial to stay updated with industry trends, new tools, and techniques. This commitment to continuous learning will help you maintain your edge in the field. As you approach the job market, remember the importance of tailoring your resume, practicing common interview questions, and highlighting your practical experience from your projects. The journey might be challenging, and at times the job search may seem daunting, but with your skill set, dedication, and the practical experience you've gained, you're more than ready to take on the world of data analysis. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Stay curious, keep learning, and embrace the challenges that come your way. You've successfully completed the 3-month challenge, but this is just the beginning. The world of data analysis is vast and ever-evolving, and there's always more to learn. Good luck on your journey to becoming a successful data analyst.